How to fix Roblox not joining mobile games. Click on more at the bottom of the screen. Click on settings by scrolling a bit down and click on it. Click on over here where it says account info at the top. Inside here, what I want you to do is verify your email. Sometimes you cannot join a game if you're not verified. So my email is already verified because I have the tick mark verified. If yours is not, it's going to show you a verify button beside your email. Click on it and verify it. And even after verifying your email, you're still not able to join the game. It could be that the game is an 18 plus game. And if that game is an 18 plus game, over here where it says verify my age, you need to click on that and you need to verify your age. Now for that, you need to provide a driver's license or a password ID or anything, any form of identification. You need to click a photo of that and upload it over here by clicking on start session and then uploading it. Then Roblox will view it. Once they view and they know that you're above 17, they'll allow you to join games that is above 18 as well. Okay, so that's the only way you guys can join 18 plus game. Otherwise you cannot, not without verifying your age. But that's how we guys can join games on Roblox, by verifying your age and by verifying your email. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.